Cypher is one of the fallen angels of the Dark Angels Space Marine chapter, and one of the members of that loyalist chapter believed to have turned to chaos during the Horus Heresy in the early 31st millennium. Cypher is a being wrapped in shadow, an entity whose every move is cloaked in mystery. His motives and methods are themselves an enigma. Even the name or title by which he is known seems to conceal something, although whether it is a metaphor or yet another conundrum is unknown. To the Imperium at large, Cypher is either wholly unknown or a being of shadowy rumour that seems to somehow connected to or sought by the Dark Angels and their successor chapters. To the Unforgiven, Cypher is a being of legend and untold speculation. Cypher is the one whom the Masters of the Dark Angels seek above all others, for he is their most hated foe. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.